Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make curd mayo sandwich. For this, take hung curd, which means water drain curd, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, chopped cabbage 1/4 cup, finely chopped carrot 1/4 cup, capsicum 1/4 cup, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well. Now take 2 slices of bread. You can add bread spread if you wish. I am going to spread the curd mayonnaise mixture over the bread. Now close it with another bread. Apply butter on outside of the bread and toast it. Now we will see 3 methods of toasting sandwich. First we will see how to make it in dosa pan. Heat a dosa pan. Now place the sandwich and press it gently. Cook around 30 seconds on each side. Another method is electric griddle. Preheat the electric griddle for 3 minutes if it is 1000 watts. Otherwise preheat around 5 minutes. Now place the sandwich in the griddle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Another method of cooking is take place in the oven. Keep the sandwich in the grill rack. Set it as grill mode. Cook around 4 to 5 minutes in high temperature. Take it out and flip the sandwich, then cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Cut it diagonally. Now the curd mayo sandwich is ready. Please try this at your home. Post your feedback, like and share the video. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.